फॉर्मेट रेडी है सबका? तुम लोग ने नोट डाउन किया क्या लास्ट वाला प्रॉब्लम? हाँ,
यस सर।
हम लोग ने नोटबुक में लिखा?
यस सर।
किसने नहीं लिखा है नोटबुक में? पूछूंगा, आज मैं देखने वाला हूँ तुम्हारा नोटबुक। कैमरा चालू करके बोलूंगा नोटबुक दिखा मुझे। ईमानदारी से बोलना किसने नहीं किया नोटबुक में।
सर मैंने नहीं लिखा है।
मैंने लिखा।
मैंने कौन? नाम बोलो अपना।
अंजलि।
अंजलि। क्यों भाई?
सर गांव में हूँ, मैंने बुक नहीं लाई हूँ।
गांव में बुक नहीं लाई है तो गांव में क्यों चली गई तू? और बुक लेके जाना चाहिए ना, गांव जा रही है तो। उधर बुक नहीं मिलता है? दूसरा किसने नहीं लिखा है?
मैंने सर।
मैंने कौन? ईशा।
सर,
क्यों भाई, क्या हो
सर
गया?
तबीयत थोड़ी खराब है।
ओहो, तुम्हारा तो तबीयत
सच
खराब।
में पैर जल गया, पूरा दूध गिर गया था।
पैर जला, हाथ तो नहीं?
नहीं,
हाथ तो नहीं जला ना?
मतलब यहाँ तक हुआ है सर, जो आपने प्रॉब्लम करवाया था ना 14 तारीख को, वहाँ तक पहले।
अच्छा, 14 तारीख को एक ही प्रॉब्लम किया था बेटा मैंने।
हाँ वो
मैं बोल
पूरा
रहा हूँ
सॉल्व किया है मैंने।
एडमिशन के मैंने 2 प्रॉब्लम करवाए हैं, तुमने बुक में नहीं लिखा है।
हाँ सर,
यही प्रॉब्लम है।
एक ही लिखा है।
तो आप मुझे ये ड्रॉ करके एक बार बता दो ना, मुझे नहीं समझ रहा है ये जो ड्रॉ करना है ना।
निदा तूने किया है? निदा, निदा
हेलो सर।
हाँ बेटा।
सर एक किया है, एक बाकी है।
ड्रॉ किया पूरा
ठीक नहीं ना सर।
फॉर्मेट ड्रॉ किया है? जरा
सर
जरा
आपने बोला था
उसको अलाउ करो।
जरा फोटो खींच के ग्रुप में भेज, मैं देखूं
आपने
कैसा फॉर्मेट बनाया है। हाँ, तेरा फोटो खींच ग्रुप में भेज, बुक का फोटो खींचो ग्रुप में भेजो, मैं चेक करता हूँ।
और पूजा अलाउ करने बोल दी है सर, पूजा
पूजा को
चौहान
अलाउ किया है, यहाँ पे कोई भी वेटिंग लिस्ट में नहीं है मेरे। निदा बेटा, सोल्यूशन का फोटो खींच के ग्रुप में डाल, मैं चेक करता हूँ कैसा फॉर्मेट बनाया तुमने।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, तब तक हम करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। सबका ध्यान क्वेश्चन में होना चाहिए, सबका ध्यान क्वेश्चन में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 रेडी? पेज नंबर 141 मिला क्या सबको? द फॉलोइंग इज द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ माधुरी एंड मनीषा। 2 पार्टनर है बच्चा, कौन है? एक हमारी माधुरी जी है और एक हमारी मनीषा जी है। तो एक माधुरी है, एक मनीषा है, और तीसरी पार्टनर भी आएगी जिसका नाम है मोहिनी। क्या बात है, मोहिनी। तो माधुरी, मनीषा, मोहिनी, 3 पार्टनर है अपने। अब देखो क्या लिखा है, माधुरी और मनीषा 2 पार्टनर थे एंड दे वर शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट इन लॉस इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:2। सो व्हाट वाज द ओल्ड रेशियो? अगेन सेम, द ओल्ड रेशियो इज 3:2 on 31st March 2019. In your questions they have given you a one small balance sheet of Madhuri and Manisha and few adjustments. Let's discuss few adjustments. Okay, on 1st April 2019, Mohini is admitted on the following terms. So here new partner is coming. Who is coming? Mohini is coming to become the partner of Madhuri and Manisha. Okay, the first adjustment, she is paid 1 lakh rupees as her capital and 40,000 as her share of goodwill. So she is to pay 1 lakh as her capital and 40,000 as a share of goodwill. So this will be the step number 1. Okay, Now next is the new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. See, in your problem they have given new profit sharing ratio. Here you no need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, क्वेश्चन में itself तुमको न्यू PSR ढूंढ के दिया है. You no need to find out new profit sharing ratio. और अगर क्वेश्चन में न्यू PSR दिया है, it means you have to calculate sacrifice ratio. तुमको अब कौन सा रेशियो गिनना पड़ेगा? सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो. यस, अगर न्यू रेशियो दिया है क्वेश्चन में तो अपने को सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. सर हाउ टू कैलकुलेट सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो, दैट आई विल शो यू लेटर ऑन, डोंट वरी. ओके, चिंता मत करो, बताऊंगा. थर्ड, the assets are to be revalued as under. Now building, tick mark building, plant and machinery, RDD, so tick mark debtor. The old partner decided to retain half of the amount of goodwill in business. What does it mean? The old partner decided to retain half of the amount of goodwill in business. It means, can I say old partner decided to take over half amount of goodwill in their home? Old partner ने बोला कि half of the amount we decided to keep half of the amount goodwill in business. It means here old partner withdrawing half of the amount of goodwill. Half amount will kept in business, but half amount they are withdrawing. बराबर, आधा अमाउंट वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा? विड्रॉ करके लेके जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, हाँ सर ठीक है. तो उसका इफेक्ट कैसे आएगा बाद में देखेंगे. दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. नेक्स्ट इज sundry creditor should be revalued 66,000. So tick mark sundry creditor. So tick mark building, machinery, sundry creditor and debtor. Tick mark 4 element from the balance sheet. Okay, are you ready? Yes sir, we are ready. So now it's time to step number 1. It's time to step number 1. And what was that? What was the step number 1? Who will answer? Come on. Step number 1 क्या था मेरा बच्चा? Tell me. What was the step number 1? बोलो.
As the journal entries, capital, goodwill, and new
Calculate
profit
new
rate.
profit sharing ratio. बराबर ना? But here you don't need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Why? Because it is already given in the problem. Okay. So here you no need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Is that clear? So here you need to pass only journal entry for what beta? Capital and goodwill. Okay, pass the journal entry and let me know the answer. Pass the journal entry and let me know the answer. क्या एंट्री बताओ? Who will answer? What is the journal entry for capital? What is the journal entry for capital? Yes. What is the journal entry for capital? Bolo. Srushti, you answer. What is the journal entry for capital?
Bank account debit to Mohini's capital
First
account.
check your balance sheet. Bank है या cash है in your balance sheet? Yes sir.
Bank
is
sir.
there. Yes, bank is there. So step number 1. The step number 1 is pass the pass the journal entries. Pass the journal entries of capital and goodwill. Am I right? Yes sir, you are right. So pass the journal entry for capital and goodwill. Tell me, what would be the entry for capital and goodwill? क्या एंट्री आएगा कैपिटल का? कैपिटल का एंट्री क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, पैसा आया बिजनेस में. So we will say bank account debit to who brought capital? Mohini brought capital. So we will write bank account debit to Mohini's capital account. How much she brought? How much she brought? 1 lakh rupees. Can I say? Yes, sir.
Yes.
1 lakh rupees. So here Mohini brought 1 lakh rupees as his capital. So entry would be bank account debit to Mohini's capital account. Is that clear? Yes, sir. We are clear. Now, second entry. Second entry, you have to pass for goodwill. See the adjustment. How much amount she brought as goodwill? She paid 1 lakh as her capital and 40,000 as a share of goodwill. So Mohini brought 40,000 as a share of goodwill. Pass the journal entry for goodwill. Pass the journal
Bank account
entry.
debit to goodwill account.
G. Bank account debit. Very good. Bank account debit to goodwill account. Bank account debit to goodwill account. And what is the amount? 40,000. Amount is 40,000. Are you able to see my board or not? Are you able to see my board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Yes.
bank account debit to goodwill account 40,000. Now, this benefit of goodwill, the benefit of goodwill 40,000, we have to transfer to old partner. Old partner means Madhuri and who was the second? Manisha. Okay.
Manisha.
So yes, so the benefit of goodwill we will transfer to Madhuri and Manisha in which ratio? In which ratio? Sacrifice
Sacrifice ratio.
Yes. In which ratio? The answer is sacrifice ratio. Okay. So next entry would be goodwill account debit. Goodwill account debit. This is compulsory entry. Okay. Goodwill account debit 40,000 to Madhuri's capital and to Manisha's capital. Am I right? Yes, sir. Now, here we need to divide 40,000 between Madhuri and Manisha in their sacrifice ratio. Sir, what is sacrifice ratio? That I taught you in my earlier lecture. What is sacrifice ratio? If you remember, I gave you the example of cake. Am I right? I gave you the example of cake, if you remember. Here, now I'm going to show you how to calculate sacrifice ratio. This is very, very important. Please listen and pay attention over here. Sacrifice ratio. How to calculate sacrifice ratio. Okay. And this will also ask in your objective. So remember the formula of sacrifice ratio. The formula of sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. This is the formula of sacrifice ratio. What is the formula of sacrifice ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. We can say on. क्या याद रखने का? On. Old ratio minus new ratio. So always remember sacrifice ratio. What is the formula of sacrifice ratio? On. What is the formula of sacrifice ratio? On. Old ratio minus new ratio is sacrifice ratio. Sir, how to calculate sacrifice ratio? Acha yaar, now you tell me, you answer. For कौन आ रहा है पार्टनर में, बिजनेस में कौन? मोहिनी. Due to Mohini become the partner, who will sacrifice? Due to Mohini, who will sacrifice? Sir, Madhuri and Manisha will sacrifice. Okay. So sacrifice ratio we have to always calculate for old partner. Sacrifice ratio we have to calculate for old partner. Why? Because for new partner, old partner will sacrifice. This is the rule. For new partner, who will sacrifice? Always old partner will sacrifice for new partner. And that's why whenever we calculate sacrifice ratio, it should be for old partner. Don't calculate sacrifice ratio for new partner. New partner, here new partner is not sacrificing anything. Who is sacrificing? Sir, old partner. For whom they sacrificing? New partner. कौन sacrifice कर रहा है? Old partner. किसके लिए sacrifice कर रहे हैं? New partner के. I hope you understand. हाँ? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? So sacrifice ratio जब मैं पूछता हूँ, calculate sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio you have to calculate only for old partner. Don't calculate sacrifice ratio for new partner. Is that clear? Yes, sir. What is the formula of sacrifice ratio? on old ratio minus new ratio. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Here we have to calculate sacrifice ratio for Madhuri and Manisha. Let's calculate first Madhuri. Let's calculate Madhuri's ratio first. Now old ratio minus new ratio. Now you tell me, what is the old ratio of Madhuri? What is the Madhuri's old ratio? Tell me.
3 raised
Haji?
3. 3.
Sorry.
3.
3 upon 5. Say always full. It is 3 upon 5. Don't say 3. Okay. Whenever I ask you what is the ratio of Madhuri, you have to say 3 upon 5. Okay. Don't say only 3. It is 3 upon 5. Okay. Sir, from where 5 came? 5 कहां से आया सर? ये 5 कहां से आया? अरे earlier I taught you 3:2. It means you have to plus the ratio. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So in denominator 5 will come. In denominator always 5 will come. So 3 upon 5. What will you say? 3 upon 5. Okay. Minus. Now tell me, what is the new ratio of Madhuri? What is the new ratio of Madhuri? See the problem and tell me what is the new ratio of Madhuri. What is the new ratio of Madhuri? Come on.
5 upon 10.
Very good. It is 5 upon 10. Sir, 5 belongs to Madhuri. 5 belongs to Madhuri, and in denominator, what we will write? We will write the plus of ratio. That is 5 plus 3 plus 2. That is 10. Okay. So new ratio is 5 upon 10. Old ratio is 3 upon 5. Now you tell me, if there is a between minus sign between two ratio, if there is minus sign between two ratio, then you have to equal your denominator first. This is the mathematic rule. This is not my rule. If you have minus sign between two ratio, English na samajh. If you have minus sign between two ratio, then first you have to equal your denominator. Both the denominator should be equal. Now you tell me, I want to equal my denominator. So this 5 I can take it 10 till 10, but this 10 I cannot create 5. ये 10 में से मैं 5 नहीं बना सकता. It is wrong. It will become wrong. Yes, but I can convert my this 5 into 10. Sir, how will you convert your 5 into 10? By multiplying.
Multiply by 2 both
Yes,
sides.
yes, for multiplying 2, ऊपर भी नीचे भी, you have to multiply 2 with denominator as well as numerator. मैथ्स के बच्चे जवाब दें. You have to multiply with 2 with your denominator as well as your numerator. Denominator मतलब नीचे वाला, numerator मतलब ऊपर वाला. अरे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? अरे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? सर क्या बतिया रहे हो आप? कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छा, फिर से समझो. चलो फिर से समझो. फिर से समझो. चल मुझे बता, व्हाट इज ओल्ड रेशियो? 3/5. व्हाट इज न्यू रेशियो? 5/10. बीच में क्या है बेटा? माइनस साइन. बीच में क्या है? इन बिटवीन बोथ द रेशियो देयर इज माइनस साइन इन बिटवीन बोथ द रेशियो. नाउ इफ माइनस साइन, कौन है ये? दक्षा, आर यू मैड और व्हाट? अरे सो इन बिटवीन क्या है बेटा? माइनस साइन है. तो अगर माइनस साइन है, तो मुझे मेरे डिनोमिनेटर को क्या करना पड़ेगा? इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. सी, माय डिनोमिनेटर इज नॉट इक्वल. My denominator is not equal. Then what should I do? If my denominator is not equal, then what should I do? Now you have to equal your denominator. Now you जो भी बच्चे बोर्ड पे मस्ती कर रहे हैं ना, उनका नाम लिख के आ रहा है. रीटा, व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम? आपको क्या बताना है मेरे को? आपको बोर्ड को छूना नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ देखना है.
सर फॉर्मेट भेजा मैंने.
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है. सो 3/5 एंड 5/10. अब चलो इसको इक्वल करो. देखो यहाँ पे 10 है. I want 10 here only, here also. So what should I do? Multiply with 2. Multiply करो 2 से. Now multiply this 5 and 3 with 2. So if you multiply 2 with 3, so 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. minus 5 upon 10. Now see, your denominator become equal. Now your denominator become equal. So take common denominator, and 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, answer is 1. So what is the sacrifice ratio of Madhuri? What is the sacrifice ratio of Madhuri? 1 upon 10. This is the sacrifice ratio of Madhuri. Did you understand? Did you understand what is the sacrifice ratio of Madhuri? It is 1 upon 10. Now I want you to calculate Manisha's sacrifice ratio. I want you to calculate. Now calculate Manisha's sacrifice ratio and let me know the answer fast. Calculate Manisha's sacrifice ratio and let me know the answer. Apply the formula old ratio minus new ratio. Apply the same technique and let me know the answer. Sacrifice ratio of Manisha. Okay. Calculate. Yes, perfect. Acha, but do one thing, Nida.
Yes, sir.
Nida, you made amount column very large. Don't do that. Okay, in partners capital
Okay.
account, you made amount column very large. So please small it.
Okay, sir.
Don't do that. We don't want this this much of bigger column. We have to
Yes, sir.
write amount only. We have to write their amount only. So try to make के amount properly आ जाए. बस उतना enough होता है. So it is very large. It is very big. Don't do that. ठीक है? Otherwise your format is perfect. I'm share. Okay, you sent in group ना? Okay, fine. So जिसको भी देखना है वो देख लो. या ये किसने भेजा है? सृष्टि. Okay, but Srushti, hello, Srushti.
Yes, sir.
First, you made a partner's capital account very big. We want only 8 lines, not
Okay,
more
sir.
than 8 lines. Okay, देखो, that's why
Yes.
your balance sheet become very small. We want large space in for balance sheet. So keep your partner's capital account till 8 to 10 lines. Okay, and revaluation account. We want more lines in revaluation account and less line in working. So keep your cash account and goodwill account as only for 5 to 6 line. Adjust your cash account and goodwill account in 5 to 6 line, and remaining line allot to revaluation account. Because
Okay,
in
sir.
revaluation account more entry will come, so it is not sufficient. It is very small. Cash account and goodwill account you make for 5 to 6 line. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, what is the sacrifice ratio of Manisha?
1 upon 10.
1 upon 10. Okay.
1
First-
upon 10.
Yes, very good, sir. First, let me calculate, then we'll check whether you did correct or not. What is the old ratio of Manisha? Can I say 2 upon 5? Yes. And what is the new ratio? The new ratio of Manisha is
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10.
Okay. So it is 3 upon 10. Again, if minus sign between two ratio, then we have to equal our denominator. So how we will equal? By multiplying 2. So while multiplying 2, 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10 minus 3 upon 10. So 10 is common, 4 minus 3, 1. So what is the sacrifice ratio of Manisha? It is 1 upon 10. So what is the sacrifice ratio? What is final sacrifice ratio?
1:1.
Yes, 1 upon 10 is to 1 upon 10. So can I say 10 10 common? So ratio would be 1 is to 1. So what is the sacrifice ratio, dear? Here the sacrifice ratio is equal. Here the sacrifice ratio is equal. Now you understood how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Now you understood how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Yes, sir. So while dividing goodwill, see this sacrifice ratio you have to use while dividing, while distributing goodwill between partner. So goodwill was 40,000. Now this 40,000 we have to distribute between Madhuri and Manisha in their sacrifice ratio. And the sacrifice ratio is 1 is to 1. Am I right? So divide it equally. 20,000 and 20,000. Simple. So this is the second entry of goodwill. Now the third entry of goodwill, that is goodwill withdrawn by old partner. Now check it the question. How much goodwill withdrawn by old partner? Partner is withdrawing full amount of goodwill or only half amount of goodwill? Partners are withdrawing only
Half
half
amount
of the
of
amount of
goodwill.
goodwill. Yes. So what would be the entry? What would be the entry?
Madhuri's capital account, Madhuri's capital account debit, Manisha's
Madhuri's
capital
capital account debit
debit.
10,000. Am I
Man-
right? Because Madhuri is
yes,
withdrawing
sir.
only 10,000, half of the amount of goodwill. Same way, Manisha's capital account debit 10,000 to bank account.
Bank
Don't write
account.
goodwill, to bank account, because cash will out from the business. So we will write to bank account 20,000. So this is the journal entries for capital and goodwill. The important part, very very important part, the step number 1, which is pass the journal entry for capital and goodwill, which we already done. Now the step number 2. And what is the step number 2? What is the step number 2? Step number 2 is posting in balance sheet. Okay, this is our step number 2. Shall we start posting part? Yes sir, we can start. So now in your screen, are you able to see my Excel sheet? Are you able to see
Yes,
my
Yes,
Excel sheet?
sir.
Okay, fine. So should I start? Yes sir, you can start. सर आप आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. ठीक है ना? चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं वन बाय वन. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एसेट साइड. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एसेट साइड. एसेट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. व्हाट इज द एसेट्स? किधर गया? हाँ, yeah, first is building. Okay, so write down building, but which column? Inner column, outer column? Building, you have to write amount of building in inner column because adjustment is there. So building. Then next is plant and machinery. Okay, plant and machinery. What is the amount of plant and machinery? 60,000, also in inner column. The next is stock. What is the amount of stock? 48,000. It is also in inner column. Yes sir. Then debtor. Debtors, write down the amount of debtors in inner column, that is 42,000. Then next is bank balance. We have to write bank balance in our bank account. Debit side we will write to balance brought down. To balance brought down. What is the amount? To balance brought down. What is the amount of bank? 20,000. Yes, sir. It is 20,000. The next is furniture. Furniture goes to assets. Yes. Yes, sir. Furniture goes to assets. So write down furniture in assets. Inner column again. Adjustment is there. 10,000. Then liability side. Come to the liability side. In liability side, first is capital account. Madhuri and Manisha. So where we have to write in partners capital account. Sir, we opened the partners capital account. So whatever information related to partner should be goes to partners capital account. Am I right? So write down over here by balance brought down. By balance brought down. What is the capital of Madhuri? It is 80,000.
सर
Okay. Yes.
फर्नीचर में एडजस्टमेंट तो नहीं है.
There is no adjustment in furniture. Okay, so we will write in outer
No.
column. Okay, we will write in outer column. Don't worry. And what is the capital of Manisha? Manisha has 1 lakh as his capital. Okay, so Manisha's capital is 1 lakh. Madhuri's capital is 80,000. The next, sundry creditor and bills payable. These both are external liabilities, and that's why we have to write in liability side after leaving 5 to 6 line. Write down creditors. Sundry, but in inner column because sundry creditor has adjustment 60,000, and then write bills payable. Bills payable. What is the amount of bills payable? It is 10,000. Am I right? Yes, sir. You are absolutely right. Fine. So we have done with posting here. Any doubt in posting? Any doubt? Any confusion till now? Then ask me. No? Should I move further? Yes, sir. So what is the step number 2? The step number 2 was posting in balance sheet. Now the step number 3. So what is the step number 3? Transfer this journal entry into ledger. What is the step number 3? Transfer this journal entry into ledger. We will transfer this journal entry into our ledger account. Into our ledger accounts. Should I? Yes, sir. Dekho, I have splitted my screen. I have splitted my screen. Are you able to see? Yes. Are you able to see my Excel sheet and my board at a time? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay. So let's transfer our journal entry into ledger. What is the first journal entry? Bank account debit to Mohini's capital account. Now you answer. Now you are the expert. You tell me. I will do. I will follow. You tell me. What should I do?
सर
Yes, sir. Bank account debited. So go to bank account debit side and write down to Mohini's capital. To Mohini's capital account. Amount is 1 lakh. Okay, to Mohini's capital account 1 lakh. Now second effect. Second effect. In Mohini's capital account, credit side, write down by bank account. But in Mohini's column, 1 lakh. Am I right? Yes, sir. Now the second journal entry, bank account debit to goodwill account. What is the second journal entry here? Bank account debit to goodwill account. So what we will do is bank account debit. So go to the bank account debit side and write down to goodwill account. To goodwill account. So in bank account, write down to goodwill account. The amount is 40,000. Now tell me the second effect. In bank account debit side, you have written to goodwill account. So in goodwill account credit side, we will write by bank account. टू का by का टू घुमा डालने का 40,000. Is that clear? Yes, sir. So we have done with second entry. Now third entry. Goodwill account debit to Madhuri's capital to Manisha's capital. Now transfer this journal entry, this one, into ledgers. So what is the journal entry? Goodwill account debit. So what you have to do is goodwill account debit side, write down to Madhuri's capital. What is the amount? 20,000. And to Manisha's capital, right? To Manisha's capital. 20,000. Okay. So goodwill account debit side, you have to write to Madhuri's capital and to Manisha's capital 20,000 and 20,000. Is that clear? Second effect. Second effect. Now see the board. See on the board, Madhuri's capital and Manisha's capital are credited. Madhuri's capital and Manisha's capital are credited. So what you have to do is go to the partner's capital account. Which side? Credit side, because both accounts are credited, and write down their opposite. Their opposite is by goodwill account. By goodwill account. And what is the amount? 20,000 and 20,000. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next entry. Next. Fourth entry. Madhuri's capital account debit. Manisha's capital account debit to bank account. This is the journal entry. Now see on the board, Madhuri's capital account debited, Manisha's capital account debited. So what